What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Johnny Minecraft. Let's begin today's lesson on the top of our page with the left side of the head. We're going to start from the very top. We're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw that same length line going across towards the right, to right about there. Now from the top, we want to step down and draw a longer line going across the top of the hat brim. So we'll go straight across, going a bit further, step down and draw that again. Let's flatten off the end with a straight line. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw a straight line coming down in behind the hat brim. Let's continue underneath, coming all the way down, just lining up with the left side. Now I just want to close this off with a straight line. From the bottom left corner, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going across, and then we'll draw in the mouth. Let's start on the left. We're going to angle this down and over towards the right. Go back to the left side, curve the mouth coming down, across the bottom of the head, and then back up. Let's go back up to the top left, add a curve for the teeth, and then from the bottom we're going to go up and then down for the tongue. Now in this area, we're going to add two curves for the eyes. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up towards the hat brim, and then bend that down. Let's leave a small gap and do that again. We're going to go up, round out the eye, and then come down. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. We're going to start on the left. We're going to draw an oval going all the way around, and then in towards the bottom. Line that up on the right side. Now along the top, we're going to add a small circle for a highlight. Let's separate this top section in half with a straight line. Then along the hat brim, we're going to shift over towards the right and draw another line coming down. Let's move out to the side of the head and add the ears. We're going to go out, go straight down, and then back in, and just line that up on the right. Let's add the eyebrows on top of the hat brim. We're going to start on the left, bend this out, and then down. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the body. From the bottom corners of the head, we're going to step in, draw two straight lines coming down towards the hips. And we'll flatten this off with a straight line. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to step in, draw two straight lines coming down. And we'll split these straps in half. Along the top center, let's add the collar. Coming down, across, and then back up. Now from the hips, we're going to bend the legs. We're going to go all the way out, and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's flatten off the feet with a straight line coming in. Now from the inside leg, we're just going to bend this up, and then in towards the middle. Let's draw the inside edge of the legs. From the inside corner, angle this up and in. I'm just going to trace the legs going up, then in toward the middle, and then back down towards the right. Let's separate the bottom of the feet with a straight line. Now I'm going to move up and draw the top of the socks with another straight line. Let's leave a small gap, draw another line going across the bottom of the shorts. Now I want to carry these lines along the inside legs. So on the left, we're just going to go straight in on both sides. Come down, we're just going to angle this up slightly. And then along the bottom, angle this up towards the back. Now let's add that detail across the center of the body. We're going to start with a straight line in the middle. And we're going to add these steps going up, go out and up. Then do that again, going out and then up towards the hips. Now we're going to go all the way up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start from the top of the body. We're going to step down, angle this up, and then out. From the outside, bend the arms, going out and then down. Let's flatten off the bottom of the arms with another straight line coming in. And I want to follow that same curve along the inside, going up toward the top of the arms. Let's go back up to the top corners, angle this up and in behind the head. For the bottom corners, angle this up and in. And it'll follow that same curve going in towards the side of the body. Now along the top of the arm, I'm going to add the sleeves. We're going to angle this down and in, come straight in along the inside of the arm, and do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Johnny Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.